Beautiful little flowers, beautiful little flowers. How you all doing, boys and girls? So today I went off to the LLangollen Bike Festival, and I have to say it was absolutely fantastic. I really did enjoy it, and I want to say a huge thank you to Blake for basically getting me the tickets to go to it. So I really do appreciate that, dude. I really did enjoy it. But before I go into any more detail, I just want to talk to you about all the muck-ups that have been happening today before I even got this video on the road. So first of all, I was meant to use your f***ing indicator and also use your mirrors. Anyway, before I was rudely interrupted by someone trying to kill me. So I was meant to be bringing a friend to this festival with me. I asked one of my friends, they said yes, but didn't come down. I asked another one, and unfortunately they had other plans. So I was on my own, yes. But that's okay, I'm alright about that. To be honest with you, it's probably my fault in the first place. I should have asked them sooner. I literally asked them the night before it was happening, so, and also literally an hour before I was going there. And then of course I got halfway there and realised I didn't have my helmet camera with me. And how did I do that, you might ask? Well, what it was, I was trying to preserve battery life on my camera, so I just put it in my bag. But the reality is that I didn't put it in my bag, but then when I got home later on, I realised all along it was actually in my bag. So yeah, I have no idea how I managed to do that. So I was absolutely devastated about that, because I could have just filmed my way there and my way back. So because Mr. Dr. Dick over here didn't think that he had his camera in, I couldn't have done that. So I do apologise, guys, so I'm just coming out again and doing it. So yeah, before I even went out to this festival, it already became a bit of a fail. So but I did get there, I did put quite a bit of footage together, so I'm going to roll that right now. I hope you enjoy that, and then at the end I'm going to tell you all my thoughts and my opinions of it, and if I'd actually go again. Roll that clip, boy! So yeah, guys and girls, it was an absolutely fantastic day, really. I'm not just saying that because I got it for free. It really was a good day, and I honestly think it's good for all the family as well, because it did have a few amusement park rides there. It had plenty of food stands and everything. The only thing that I could probably add to it is that there probably needs to be more stuff, or there needs to be more land for there to be more stuff, because it's set in such a beautiful area. Like with the whole camping thing, I think it's a great idea, because you've not just got the bike fest, so you won't get bored, because you've got LLangollen there, so you've got the surrounding area, and if you go on your bike, you know, you've got some amazing roads around there. So it really is actually a fantastic festival, really, for a biker. Will I be going again next year? Yes, I will, 100%. Hopefully on a bigger bike next year, because that was the smallest bike there. Strangely enough, I didn't see any 125s. But hopefully next time I won't actually be so friendless. Like, fail after fail. And have so many different fails going on before I got there. Anyway, boys and girls, I hope you have liked this video. If you have, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe. If you haven't yet, tap that button. Please get up there and get all tapped, because I'll know if I have any more videos coming up in the future. And I'll see you again very soon. Bye! And I'm just going to leave you with this amazing, beautiful clip.
I don't gotta say, got your wheels in motion, you're doing alright.